Hi guys, today I'm going shopping to IKEA to buy little things for the house. So I'm going to show you what all I purchased today. So let's get started. Okay, so let me show you what all I got. This is the stones here. You can use it for decorative purpose. You can put it on a tray for display on a center table or maybe in a pot. So you can use it in many ways. So here is this two basket kind of a thing. I just got it so that I can use it inside a dresser, just like a divider. And there's some 3-pin plugs, some bulbs, and this is a heat pot stand. There are 3 in it, so you can use it on your dining table to keep your hot pots. This is an apron here. Here are the tongs, 2 small ones and 1 bigger one. And here's the tray, which you can use it on a dresser or maybe in the washroom to keep your napkins, hand towels or tissues, anything. And this, I just got this, maybe I'll keep my hair combs, or I have no idea what I'll be using it for. There's a pillow there. This one I got to keep my cutleries, like the spoons and forks and knives. Here are a few teacups. Here is a rug which I'll be using in the living room to cover myself when I'm watching movies. Here is this candle stand here. It's a set of 3. You can use these kind of long candles to put in here. I'll be showing it later. And here is a bread basket. Now here is a mirror for my dresser, a strainer, and another basket here. Some kitchen towels, some tissues, and this is it's like a stand, a long stand, which I'll be using for my washroom to keep all the washroom stuffs, as in maybe some napkins or towels, and below I can keep some Dettols. I'll show it to you later. And I have some glass containers here, some flowers, artificial flowers, a flower pot here, and this is also a corner stand which we'll be fixing it later. And here the black one that you can see, it's to keep all your washed vessels. You can just put it on it so that it'll drain all the water and soak all the water in it. So this is it. I have finally fixed it. This will go into my washroom. Here is the flower pot and the flowers here. This is how the candle holder is. It's really pretty. But this candle has a very weird smell, which I'm really not liking it. Apart from that, it looks really nice. I've kept this candle stand over here, candle holder, and this is the corner stand that we picked and we fixed it, kept some perfumes there. I've kept this bread basket on top of the oven here in the kitchen. Less of a bread basket and more of a dry fruit basket. Useful anyways. And here is the throw. And here is that little shelf that I brought the what do I call it, the basket. I've put in my headbands here. It's inside my dresser, so it's a little organized here. And the other one I have put in the hair products like the hairsprays, mousse and stuff here. Otherwise I had to just dump them, but then now it's a little organized. I need to get more of them so it looks neat, tidy. The basket that we picked up, I put in some fruits on the dining table. Yes. And this is the corner stand that I picked for the washroom. I've kept in some napkins, some sanitary pads, toilet tissues, detergent, washroom cleaners at the bottom. I have some space left there. I'll fill it with something else. Yes, it's really useful for the washroom. Oopsie, look at this. Look what I did. I just broke the vase. Need to get a new one now. So now let me clean this mess that I just did. Thank you guys for watching. Hope I'll come up with a new video soon. Till then, take care. God bless. Love you all.